Let's make one more tutorial in FreeCAD. In this video, you'll learn to use pad, mirror, and Boolean Operation. So open the FreeCAD and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the front plane and we will make this sketch. And here in the center of this line will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we'll make, we'll create a line here with 8 millimeters. And create this line here with 8 millimeters. And create this two line. The distance between this line here and the midpoint is 60 millimeters. We have 30 millimeters here plus 30 millimeters here. And this line here has 16 millimeters of length. So open the FreeCAD, go to create a new sketch and select wax Z plane. Select polyline, click here in the midpoint. Make this sketch here. And go to dimension. The distance here, 8 millimeters. The distance here, 8 millimeters. And here we have 16 millimeters. And the distance between this line and the midpoint here is 60 millimeters. We made this. Now we'll make this line here. And this line here has 12 millimeters of length. And here we'll make a line here and close the sketch here. This line here has 8 millimeters. So select polyline, click here in this point. Make the sketch here. Go to dimension. And go to dimension. The distance here is 12 millimeters. And the distance here is 8. But here we can go to horizontal vertical constraints. Select this point and this point here. And select this point and this point here. Now leave the sketch. We will use the pad to make an extrusion here. And the distance here is 60 millimeters. So go to pad. And the model here, select symmetric. The type, the dimension, and the length here 60 millimeters. And press OK. And now go to mirror. Select this body. And the plane here, select the plane YZ plane. And press OK. We made this one. Now go to models here, and here select create a new body, and I will hide this body here. And here in this new body we will create this slot. This slot has 60 millimeters, the distance between the centers, and the diameter here is 60 millimeters. So let's create this. Go to create a sketch, select the top plane here, and select a slot. Make a slot here, 60 millimeters. The angle here is 0. And the radius here, 30 millimeters of radius. And go to dimension. The distance between this point and the center is 30 millimeters. Sorry. And here in the center of this point here, in this point, we have a circle with 17 millimeters of diameter. So select the circle, make a circle here with 17 millimeters and create another one here. And leave the sketch and go to pad. And here, the model, select symmetric. The length here, 40 millimeters. And press OK. Click here in the model. We have this body 1 and this body. And here, show the both bodies and go to Boolean Operation and add the body. Select this body here. And the type here, select common. And press OK. We made this one. So here we finish your exercise. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more and see you in the next video. Bye bye.